all the way take it like a man.
Alright, so we made it to Autocross. I already got the car all set up. I got my numbers on it. 19 CS is my class. I got it on both sides. I already got through tech and it's all good. Here's Nick right here. He's already checked through and got registered and all that. This is his dad's car. But it's a pretty good show up. It's really windy today, but I have this mic to block all that wind. I'm probably gonna invest in my own helmet because right now I just have a large that definitely does not fit, and it's some like boony ass, I don't know, it's not that great of a helmet, so I'm gonna do that. I need a helmet, probably some magnet stickers just to make that easier, but I'm about to walk around, see what's going on, and then at 8:30 we're having the novice walk, so that's just whenever we'll go up to the track up there and we take a walk around the track to see what it's like, and all the novices do that at the same time. So I'm all ready. We got our heats and I'm the first heat, so you know, first time doing autocross, first week of driving manual, and I'm the first one up in autocross race, so I'm pretty excited. I'm also really nervous. I'm probably just gonna take the first run or two just really slow and probably just cruise it and just feel the gears. And then I'll try to speed it up a little bit. My girlfriend's gonna come over and I'm here with my friend, so I'll record Nick and I'll show you guys him and his runs, and then I'll also show you his dad's runs. I'm actually not sure if he's running his CTS. And then also I ended up not getting a GoPro for this, so really all the footage we'll have of like me driving will just be whatever Nick or my girlfriend gets. So we'll just see what happens. We'll see what all we can get because I can't hold my phone while I'm driving, and then I don't have a mount in here for my phone. So, but in the future races, I'll definitely get a GoPro and set it up. I was thinking just set it up on the harness bar because then it'll just be like a straight shot through the windshield, and I think that'll be good. I can set it up to where it's kind of like eye level, so it'll look like a POV. Right here are all the cars that are gonna be in my heat right now, and I really don't see too many people in the same class as me. Really the only people that are in the same class is that Miata. That one's not in my class, and that's about it. I don't know about that Spitfire. That might be in my class, but probably that G37. So it's probably just me, that G37, and this Miata right here, at least for my heat. So not really sure. I definitely want to buy a new helmet for myself that's like fitted, because this is not very good, but you know, it's a loaner helmet, so it's all good. So I just did my first run. It wasn't bad. I didn't finish. I got a DNF because the last two corners, it's like a small slalom. I just completely missed. I got too jittery and excited, and I saw the finish line and just went straight forward, and just completely missed those last two turns. But this time, I mean, I felt confident about it. I felt good with the turns and all that. I feel like I can go faster, but just for the second run, I'm probably gonna take it pretty slow again and just see, like, well, this time I'm gonna try to finish. But I'm just gonna get a handle on the course more and see how that goes. And maybe my third or fourth, I'll try to speed it up just a little bit, but they're coming down the line, and so it's about to be my second run right now. autocross in Oklahoma City. It was pretty successful. I would say I got third in my class, and I wouldn't say that's too bad for, you know, first time driving manual, first week of driving manual, and first time at autocross. But it was really fun. But sorry for not having too many POVs except for on the side of the road. I do in the future want to get some better POVs of in-car driving. I'm thinking to either have a GoPro up there or maybe mount one like right here so you can see the road. Or what I was thinking is I get a GoPro and I mount it like right here so that the view would be like this and you can see like the cones and stuff. I think that would be cool because, excuse the mess, I have this tripod that I can set up right here and I can put my phone in, and I have a remote control that will start and stop the video. And I think this view right here would be really, really cool because not only can you see the track, you can also see my steering wheel and then also me shifting knobs. But with this thing right here, this would be the view, and I think that's not too bad. So for future videos, I'm gonna definitely have better viewpoints than just this video that you see now. So not only will you see my car from the outside point of view of a friend recording me on the track, but you're gonna be able to see my interior view like this of the road, my steering wheel, and me shifting. And then also maybe right here, a GoPro right here, or maybe on my mirror right here. But I think with those viewpoints, the videos will be a lot cooler. I might be able to edit something onto the top of the video where you can see my time with like a timer, and then also like a racetrack, like little picture, and like you can follow along with that. But that's what I'm thinking for future autocross videos. I'm gonna be missing this next one, autocross event in June. I'll be recording that. Stay tuned for that one. But I also just ordered some test pipes for this car, and I'll be ordering some spacers for it too. So not only will it be louder, it'll also look better. And then I also got Sports Car Club Association of America stickers. So I'm officially a sports car, if you didn't know. And I have a little friend as well. But yeah, stay tuned for that. I'll be making a video on those test pipes and maybe the spacers too, but more stuff for this car is coming. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.